Hey folks, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to do an unboxing of seeds that I ordered from Pinetree Garden Seeds. If you recall, Pinetree is one of the companies that gave us a discount code for my subscribers. So if you go over to their website at www.superseeds.com and you place an order of $20 or more, enter the code SARGE10 for 10% off. That's SARGE10, capital S, capital A, capital R, capital G, capital E, 10. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoy these videos or other garden videos, please remember to hit subscribe. Okay, so we got our package here from Pinetree Garden Seeds. Let's take a look, see what we got. Love ordering seeds. Favorite time of year, actually. Especially here in South Carolina. Right now it's February, and we have off and on weather here during this time of year, so it can be cool one day, then 70 degrees the next, but it's a really good time to get out there and do all the heavy stuff in the yard before it gets too hot. Alright, so let's see what we got here. I think I'll pull these out one at a time. We'll take a look. My order form. Look at that later. All right, this is, I get this usually every couple of years, native tobacco. So I'll show that up there. This is, I'm not a tobacco user, but this is kind of fun to grow, and the bees really love it, and it's got such a pretty smell. So every once in a while, I throw that back on the back in the garden. All right, and you've probably heard me talk about these before. Ancho Poblano peppers. These are my favorite peppers to grow. I've always had really good luck with these. They are not too hot. They're kind of smoky, and I love making stuff them with cheese, cream cheese, a little turkey bacon, roasted on the grill. All right, I actually just added a little bit to my dill. I'm pretty sure I've got dill in there, but it's one of those seeds that I use a lot, so I just grabbed another pack since I was ordering from them anyways. But dill's great, especially where I'm going to try and do some canning and pickling this year, and we'll do some videos on that. But I like to put a little bit of dill in there with the pickles. All right, I probably will not grow these with the Ancho Poblanos, but I like to have a little bit of jalapenos on hand too. Sometimes when I'm ordering seeds, I'll just grab some stuff and throw it back for next year. Not that it's hard to find jalapeno seeds, but some seed types you will actually find from year to year. There'll be a run on them, they'll be really popular, and you might not be able, the following year, you might not be able to get the one you want. So sometimes I just grab a few extra and I put them back. They're good for a long time. If you keep seeds stored dry and out of direct sunlight, you can get 5-10 years out of them easily. They start to lose a little bit of, the germination rate goes down over time, but they're good for several years. All right, my very favorite type of tomato, you've heard me talk about this in one of my other videos, Brandywine. It is, in my opinion, the best tasting tomato you can grow. Early Girl, I threw those in there. I might start those soon. And then here in South Carolina, one of the things that we're kind of blessed with, at least on the coast, is we can do 2 seasons of growing tomatoes. So some of the bigger farms, I learned this when we did a tour, they'll actually grow from early spring or late winter to July, and then they'll actually pull out those plants after they've given their biggest boost of production, and they'll plant again. So I might start with the Early Girls and throw in the Brandywines, and then the Brandywines will ripen up late August, early September. And I bought some butternut squash. I don't remember why I bought this. Probably not going to grow it this year. but this is a good one that I'll probably just kind of throw back for, who knows, maybe in the fall I'll look through my seed packs and say, oh, okay, let's throw some squash seeds in there for a winter crop. All right, this one right here, right? Cash flow zucchini. I'm hoping that as I'm recording this, these aren't coming out backwards, but we'll find out. Cash flow zucchini. This is my favorite zucchini to grow, and I always order this from Pinetree. I don't know if anybody else even carries this or if this is exclusive for them, but get yourself some cash flow zucchini. You will get so much production out of this. And by the way, zucchini bread, zucchini muffins, you name it, everything. Some little yellow crookneck squash. Okay, this is my favorite lettuce to grow, black-seeded Simpson. I'm probably going to put this in the ground very, very soon. Black-seeded Simpson. And this is one of those ones that you can cut, let it grow back a few days, cut, let it grow back a few days, cut, and you'll probably get, I've gotten like six pullings off a plant before it starts to get a little bit better. 6 cuttings. New one for me this year, General Lee. I could not get, and this is what I was talking about you order, or sometimes you order a little bit extra and put them back. The cucumber that I wanted wasn't in stock, so I'm going to try something different. I've never grown this one before. Okay, and some purple beans. Again, this is another one. I could not find the bean that I wanted. I usually like to grow, for my purple beans, I like to grow one that's called Purple Queen, and could not find it, so we're going to try something different this year. These are just a bush bean Royal Burgundy. And Kentucky Wonder is typically my bean that I like to grow for my green beans. Could not get Kentucky Wonder this year, so gonna try something different. This is Kentucky Blue. Is that it? Okay, I think that's it. All right, thank you so much. We'll give you updates on how these things are going. Like I said, I'm not gonna grow all of these this year. Some of these are going in the garden, some of them are going into storage. Remember, Pinetree Garden Seeds is such a great company to work with. I recommend you check them out. You still have time to order online. Right now it's February, so either whether you're in the south or the north, in the south you still got a little bit of time for your early spring seeds. In the north you guys have plenty of time still before you, but you know, southern states, you want to kind of get these things going pretty soon now. So check them out. Their website is superseeds.com. Thank you so much for tuning in. If this has been helpful or if you've just enjoyed it, remember to smash that like button. That's like putting tips in my tip jar. It doesn't cost you a cent, but it helps me move up in the algorithm so that other YouTubers can see my videos.